In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking to streamline your accounting needs, Zoho Books provides an intuitive solution to manage your finances efficiently. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up and navigate this versatile tool. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. The direct approach allows you to access the powerful features Zoho has to offer. Once you're on the site, look for the sign up button. Clicking this will enable you to create a free 14-day trial account. This trial is a great way to explore the software and determine if it fits your business needs without any commitment. Next, you'll need to enter essential details such as your company name, email, password, and your country of operation. These details help customize your experience with Zoho Books, tailoring features and settings to your specific region and business type. After filling out the information, you're ready to log in. Use the email address you registered with or your mobile number, along with your password to access your new account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your hub for insights and actions. From here, you can keep an eye on your financial situation with a quick glance. Take your time to explore the various sections. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as a good understanding of this dashboard will make your financial management more straightforward and effective. Moving on, let's talk about sales management within Zoho Books. This feature empowers you to handle customer information, create estimates and invoices, and record payments received. Such automation can help you save time and reduce the likelihood of errors. Similarly, you'll manage purchases effectively. This includes keeping track of vendor details and expenses, ensuring you're on top of what your business owes. Managing items is another vital aspect. In Zoho Books, you can easily add, organize, and categorize products or services you offer. This feature is particularly useful if you have a large inventory or provide multiple services. Organizing your items efficiently can streamline the sales and purchase process significantly. Next, connecting your bank accounts can simplify the transactional recording process. Zoho Books allows easy bank synchronization, automatically importing bank statements and matching transactions with records. This can help you maintain an accurate and up-to-date financial picture. Creating invoices and processing payments is another functionality you'll find invaluable. With customizable templates, you can design invoices that reflect your brand while efficiently recording transactions. Don't forget to manage your expenses as well by recording expenditure to maintain financial balance and accuracy. Finally, you can generate reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and more. These reports provide insights into your financial health, assisting you in making informed business decisions. As you become more familiar with Zoho Books, you'll find it an indispensable tool for maintaining clarity and control over your business finances. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.